Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into student laptops. Choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. So we'll focus on what matters: note-taking, Zoom calls, and assignments. Let's get started. First, note-taking. A great student laptop needs a comfortable keyboard. Look for one with decent key travel. The keys should have a satisfying press. Avoid shallow keyboards, as they can lead to typos. Consider the size, too. A larger screen usually means a more spacious keyboard, but it also makes the laptop less portable. Ultimately, the best keyboard is the one that feels right. Next, screen quality. You'll be staring at the screen for hours, so invest in a display that's easy on the eyes. A matte screen finish is ideal, as it reduces glare. If you're taking notes in class, consider a touchscreen and a stylus for handwritten notes. Now, let's talk about performance. For note-taking and basic assignments, you don't need a powerhouse. However, you'll still want a processor that can handle multitasking. An Intel Core i3 or an AMD Ryzen 3 will usually suffice. Choose a laptop with at least 8 GB of RAM for smooth performance. Storage is another key factor. A solid-state drive SSD is highly recommended over a traditional hard drive. SSDs are much faster, which means your laptop will boot up and load applications quicker. Aim for at least 256 GB of storage, but if you plan on storing a lot of files, consider 512 GB. Moving on to Zoom calls. A good webcam is essential. Look for a built-in webcam with at least 720p resolution. Better yet, opt for 1080p. Consider the microphone quality as well. A built-in microphone array that reduces background noise will make your voice clearer. Connectivity is crucial. Make sure your laptop has enough ports. At a minimum, you'll need USB ports. An HDMI port is useful for external displays. A headphone jack is a must-have. Also, pay attention to Wi-Fi capabilities. The latest Wi-Fi 6 offers faster speeds. Battery life is a major consideration. Aim for a laptop that can last at least 8 hours. Check reviews to get an idea of the real-world battery life. Finally, the operating system. Windows and macOS are the two main choices. Windows is more versatile. macOS is known for its user-friendliness. The best choice depends on your preference and the software you'll be using. So, recap: when choosing a student laptop, prioritize a comfortable keyboard, a quality screen, sufficient performance, ample storage, a good webcam, reliable connectivity, decent battery life, and the right operating system. Research, read reviews, and compare models. Good luck! Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of student laptops. We'll be looking at what makes a laptop ideal for taking notes, attending Zoom classes, and tackling those all-important assignments. Choosing the right laptop can seriously impact your academic performance. So let's break down the key considerations. First up, let's talk about note-taking. A comfortable keyboard is essential. You'll be typing a lot, so you want keys that feel good under your fingers and have enough travel. Think about the size too. A smaller laptop is more portable, but a larger one might offer a more comfortable typing experience. Consider laptops with a good screen, so you don't strain your eyes during long lectures. Touchscreen laptops can be great, especially if you like to handwrite notes or draw diagrams. Check the resolution too. A higher resolution means a sharper, clearer display. Next, Zoom. Video conferencing is a huge part of modern education, so a good webcam and microphone are crucial. Look for laptops with at least a 720p webcam, but ideally, go for 1080p for better video quality. Make sure the laptop has a decent microphone. Nobody wants to miss important information because of poor audio. Good speakers are important, too, so you can clearly hear your professors and classmates. Battery life is another thing to think about. You don't want your laptop dying in the middle of a class. Aim for a laptop that can last at least 5 to 6 hours on a single charge. Consider laptops with fast charging capabilities, in case you need to quickly top up your battery between classes. Now, assignments. Performance is key. You'll need enough processing power to handle things like word processing, web browsing, and potentially more demanding tasks like video, editing or coding, depending on your field of study. Look for a laptop with at least an Intel Core i5 or an AMD Ryzen 5 processor. For RAM, 8 GB is generally sufficient, but 16 GB is ideal, especially if you plan on multitasking. The storage is also important. Solid-state drives, or SSDs, are much faster than traditional hard drives. Get at least 256 GB of storage, but 512 GB or more is preferable. The operating system is another consideration. Windows and macOS are the two most popular choices. Windows is more versatile and compatible with a wider range of software, while macOS is often preferred for its user-friendly interface and integration with other Apple devices. Consider the software you'll be using for your assignments, and choose the OS that works best for you. Finally, think about the build quality. A student laptop needs to be durable enough to survive being carried around campus. So look for a laptop with a sturdy design. So, in summary, here's what to look for: a comfortable keyboard and a good screen for note-taking, a decent webcam, microphone and speakers, and long battery life for Zoom, and sufficient processing power, RAM, and storage for assignments. Research different models and read reviews before making a purchase. Good luck with your studies, and happy shopping!